I'm going to be showing you how to plant a seed. First, you just get some soil, put it in, but not too much soil. And then you just press it in. Once the dirt is filled up, then you put in the seeds. What's this one? Let's see. Ooh, these ones are pretty. Now you poke a little hole. Sorry. Now you just poke a little hole, but not too deep. Then cover it up. And more seeds. Hey, I think I made a little rhyme. Right. Hey, stop it, you! Ah, there we go. You put one seed in each spot. And when you are done, then you put a stick in so we know what it is and it's not going to be a mystery. And then you do the next one. You're supposed to do the same thing that we did with the other one. Oh, and you also have to make sure you water them. Can't you see that we put in the sticks and the seeds, except you can't actually see the seeds because they're covered. Now it's on to the watering part. This is my watering can, which is really heavy because it's filled with water. But not too much. Not too much, okay? Just need to get all of them. Now, same thing with the other. Except not too much. Now, in a few weeks, these seeds will become seedlings. And then, when they get way too big to fit in here, we'll transfer them in the garden bed. This is our garden. Ooh, looks like we've got strawberries growing. They will grow in the vines like this. Oh, there's a flower in there. And that flower would become a pumpkin. And that one will become... What are you doing in this video?